So this is my Luckracer gaming work chair. It has this pillow at the top that comes off by just unsnapping. It has the two straps here, the elastic straps with a lumbar support. And if you look at that pattern on that pillow, it actually matches very nicely with my gaming desk that I'm putting together. You can see that that same pattern is also on top of the desk. It's got larger wheels at the bottom for rolling. It's even got these footrests I can put on. But speaking of rests, when I'm ready to recline, I can pull this leg section out, flip it over, and it matches that gray and black pattern all throughout the chair. Assembly was within 5 minutes, and the extra parts that come with it are another bracket that goes onto the pole here, and it has extra screws, extra washers, and caps, and those caps are what goes over the screw here on the armrest mechanism. And this is the Luckracer gaming chair.